We just got this new drift cart and we're gonna check it out. Okay, do you want to create an obstacle course then? That you can like try to weave through? Maybe. We can make it out of these chairs so that if you hit it, it doesn't like break. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. How's that? I think I need a second shot. Yeah. Yo, what just happened? I'm taking a little nap. Just tired, man. Dude, I almost didn't get that on video too. Maybe I didn't. But you are covered in venom. Yo, I'm way too big for this thing. We didn't check the sides. Okay, you ready? Let's hit it again. Hey, back. Frick, I'm turning out too fast. You gotta make it like, those are like drifts. Do you want to just do a little practice run around? Do you want to just do a little practice run along here? Like I'm coming through here. Yo! I just put my head down and I thought about doing that earlier because I was doing that on the easy rollers. Really? Here, can I try it? Well, you gotta actually test something here. And over there. Sharp there. And then I'm gonna turn out here. I don't know. Send me again. So, dude, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude, this thing needs brakes so bad. I literally can't get through there. I have to be like stopped. You so literally, you have to be like stopped to get through that. What? Flying. I did it! No, you hit the chair. No, the chair hit me. That's crazy. Real. Oh, flip. Oh! Dude, that was insane. Dude, that was insane. Told you it wasn't impossible. It's gonna die. It's gonna die. Look at those skid marks. That definitely wasn't me. Yeah. I mean, freaking what a dirt. We definitely did not check the size on this, but that's okay because it was still fun. Yeah, exactly. Welcome back to Benching with me. Alright, how much does that thing weigh? 500. That is classified. Bro. Oh. Let's go. I mean the GoPro. Why do you zoom in on me every time? Dude. 10 likes and we'll do it again. 10 likes and we'll bring back the crazy car. We'll do something different with it. And comment what you want to do. Yeah, let us know. Alright, well, okay.